Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So a couple of years ago, I purchased this HIRES root beer poster, and it's been laying around for a couple of years. Finally got it down to my professional framer to get it ready for sale. I believe that this is probably from about late 1940s to mid 1950s. Obviously, it's a HIRES root beer piece. It is a paper sign, okay? And when it came out, it actually had a frame in the poster. So it was self-framed, but I wanted to frame it up real nice to protect it. So I put a brand new, beautiful frame on it. What you're looking at is, obviously it looks like a late 40s, early 50s. She's got flowers in her hair, and these are flowers, so don't mistake that these may be water stains or something. They're actually flowers that are put into the print. This thing is in very good condition. There's no rips or tears. It's absolutely beautiful. It is 62 inches wide by 38 inches tall. Kind of difficult to get these big old paper ads. I believe that this was actually made to be pasted on a wall somewhere on an interior of a building, but the colors are beautiful, the girl is beautiful, and it's a big piece. So whoever gets this is gonna really enjoy it for years to come. I want to shout out to Trey and Sandra out in Texas. This might be for you. You've got that big beautiful house now, you got some big walls. This is a big piece. It would look stunning in your place. Anyway folks, and we will probably have to crate this because the glass is so big. We'll probably have to send it next door and have it put in a box, get it professionally packed so it can get to you in one piece. Beautiful late 1940s, mid 1950s HIRES root beer ad, beautiful woman. And as you see, it's got the foil here and the foil on the cap as well. That kind of dates it. So anyway, whoever gets this is going to enjoy it for years to come. And as always, folks, thank you for watching our videos.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're picking, we're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.